Welcome to K2 Studio. In this video, I'm going to be covering on how to use type scale, which is used to design and create a harmonious and consistent hierarchy of text sizes, improving both aesthetics and usability. To get started, you can pick any of these scales. There are major scales here, minor scales, golden ratio. We are going to start with the major second scale, which is used for clear and smooth text. So you can see it gives you the pixels here. It's going from 16 to 18 to 20 to 0.25. Also gives you the REMs. And on the right hand side, you can see you have the design and how that text will look in the design. So for example, if I go from major second to minor third, you can see the design has changed. Also the text size has changed. Let me scroll down and you can see it looks different. So you might be asking yourself, how does it go? Let's say if we are back in the major second, how does it go from 16 pixel to 18 pixels? So let me pull up the calculator. So if I take 16 and I times that by 1.125 and hit equal, and you can see it went to 18. That is the scale size right there. As you can see, it's 1.125, and then it keeps going up and down. Or if you want to go backwards, let's say if I want to go, how did it go from 16 pixel to 14.22? If I just take 16 and I divide that by 1.125, hit equal, you can see it went to 14.22. You could just round that. And it's right there, 14.22 pixels. Okay, so how will this look in my Figma? So let me pull up the Figma design. So here I have this. So let's start with the H1, and I pull this here. So H1 is supposed to be, we'll just do 32.44. And then let's do the next one, H2. Just gonna round this up. We'll do 29. H3, which is going to be 26. I'm rounding these up. Let's go to H4, which is going to round that up to 23. Let's go to H5. I'm going to round that up to just 20. Let's go to H6, which is supposed to be 18 pixels. And let's go to the paragraph, which is supposed to be 16 pixels. So if you want to even go smaller than that, you can do the next one, which is 14. After that, let's say if we want to go 12 or 13, round that up. Okay, what if I want to do this last one, but as you can see, it's not here. So all I have to do is take the 12.64 or 13. So let me pull up the calculator. So I'm going to do 13, and I'm going to divide that by 1.125, hit equal, and it's 11. I'm going to round that up to 12. So the last one, this one, is going to be 12. And this is how you use type scale to create harmonious and consistent hierarchy across all of your design work. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.